ppm of copper in my oil after I changed to said oil from my favorite oil in the whole world. Ooh.
Jimmy Kukulski, Elite Lubrication Specialties, coming at you with another 2-minute Tribotip. All right, we're on oil analysis kick, all right? So what I'm going to talk about is I hear a lot of things about changing oil and comparing oil analysis A to oil analysis B, or sample 1 to sample 2, when I change from this oil to my other favorite oil, or from the oil my grandpa used in his tractor and had 950,000 trillion hours on it and never had one problem, and then I switched to this really expensive oil, and then the oil analysis was like 20 trillion gigillion copper, this, that, whatever, all right? When you change oils, you change oil chemistry. You can actually create stuff like copper inside an engine, okay? There's sulfates and sulfurs that are in ZDDP packages that make copper leach, like in caterpillars. See a lot of cooler copper leaching. All that is a change in chemistry. You might show up with 300-400 ppm of copper, all of a sudden 3-4 oil change goes away. If you are comparing two oils, two lubricants to each other through an oil analysis program, you have to keep in mind, first of all, if you're just doing it with one data point, just one asset, you're gonna probably mislead yourself. You need a few. If you want to learn more about this, listen to Real Tuners Radio, episode 56, with Lake Speed Jr. from Driven Oil. All right, he goes through this in a little more detail, takes a little more time. Overall, that's an awesome podcast to listen to. The guy's right on point with this. If you're going to test oils, you need a few sample points. Secondly, when you change chemistry, like I said earlier, you're actually creating different metals. ICP, or inductively coupled plasma, which is what's looking for wear metals in your oil, picks up 1 to 8 micron, 1 to 10 micron. If you create ppm of some type of metal from the chemistry, you got lots of heat, lots of oxygen, water, all different types of chemicals in there, you can actually create a different type of metal for a short amount of time. So my Tribotip today is, if you're doing a test, 3 to 4 oil changes before you do any comparison. So 3 to 4 on one, change your oil, kind of do a flushing process like they talk about on Real Tuners Radio. Lake Speed Jr. talks about doing a flushing oil between the two. I talk about just change your oil in an engine, change your oil in a compressor, do 2 or 3 changes of that. You're going to get the add pack and the chemistry that oil was engineered to have in that application. All right? Jimmy Kukulski, please like this video. Please share this video. And please send me your questions. Jimmy at EliteLubricationSpecialties.com. Love to answer them. Have a great day.